I'm back, had a bad bout with COVID, and here I am on Monday, on the 19th of August, 2024, and I know you're going to say, yes, I've had all the shots, the boosters, and had I not had them, I probably even wouldn't be here. All right, but I caught a terrible bout of it, a coughing spell that is just leaving, and I caught it a week, actually, I remember catching it a week ago Friday when I didn't quite feel right, and it was terrible. All right, we've got the stock market churning, and that's what I think you're going to be looking at right now. This is going to be a week where the market starts preparing itself for what's going on in Jackson Hole on Friday. Yeah, we're going to get PMI this week. We also have today coming out the Conference Board, and they're going to release their monthly leading, coincident, and lagging indicators. They're looking for them down 1/10 compared to last month's down 2/10. But what I think is going to happen this week is the stock market's just going to churn a bit. You're looking at the gold losing to silver, so I'm seeing a flip-flop taking place now where silver starts to gain on the gold. And let's not lose sight that gold's at an all-time high close over the weekend. So this is very powerful. I told traders, as sick as I was, that I thought $2,600 would be a number that gold's going to try to search for on this leg. Not too far off, $50 away so far. Dollar index, I think that you have to look at most currencies as bullish against the U.S. dollar. A lot of action today happened in the Japanese yen. That's not a misprint. It went to 69.16, so it went up over 100 points, but I'm going to repeat. Thin market conditions, both in Europe and in the U.S. In the grain market, how do I put this other than you have ideal growing conditions? Now, we're going to get the reports from crop scouts and others now coming in on the grains, giving us an idea what they see. Then we'll end up with the final numbers as the harvest gets going. But the old word harvest lows, that's what I'm going to count on. We're not at harvest yet. So no, I don't think these are the lows. The market could have another leg down. Bonds and notes probably just drifting here. And on good hard rallies in cotton, I think the pros are probably looking at this market as a potential short sale area. So I'd keep my eye on it. And the 69.20s is what I had pegged for that. Energy markets, we are waiting to see, can anything positive happen with Hamas in Israel? Our Secretary of State Blinken is in Israel trying to pressure the Israelis. Then they've got to pressure Hamas. Iran hasn't attacked. So something behind the scenes has been going on, trying to give this a measure to take place. Let's keep our fingers crossed for everybody that they can get a peace deal done in the Middle East. And again, remember, this is the big DNC convention. I live about 6 blocks from it. I can walk there, but they've gated off all the streets. So everything's right where I live, and there's no traffic outside at this point in time, so I can tell you that. But it'll fill up about 4 in the afternoon as the convention really starts getting underway. In the meantime, I'm Ira Epstein. I'll catch up with you all at the end of the day with my end of the day reviews. It's good that I can speak again. Through this weekend, I just couldn't do this. I would have been coughing. You have a great day, great trading day, and I'll catch up with you later today. Take care.